friends, guess what happened in my house overnight? I'm very glad the storms are gone for a few days.
Another groundhog showed up?
Not that. Lost power yet again in our house.
You did?
No.
Yes. It did get turned on 6 hours later.
6 hours? There must
Yes,
have been
indeed.
a tree. I bet you brought down a line.
They
somewhere.
did say that not at our property, but somebody's property, a branch fell on a power line.
Oh my gosh,
no.
yeah.
Yeah, so there was
A
that.
little bit of rehab work
Yeah,
there.
and not a good night to not have power because you couldn't really open the windows because
Yeah, it was
what
getting
was
hot.
the
It was getting
humidity?
hot.
The dew points must have been so uncomfortable for
disgusting.
Connie.
Yeah, I'm
As
sorry.
he laughs about it. Thank you, Doug.
Dew points got up to 78, I think,
my
in
gosh.
Louisville. I mean, that is tropical feel to the air. So
All I know is we got sweaty trying to pull out the generator and put gas in it. That was fun.
goodness. Well, you can open the windows starting tonight, more so Wednesday and Thursday nights because we do have lower dew points ahead. So temperatures the next few days should actually feel quite comfortable, mid to upper 80s, overnight lows in the 60s. Fantastic outdoor weather Wednesday, Thursday, and most of your Friday. That 20% chance on Friday would be more so during the overnight hours. Dew points last week, of course, they plummeted. We had that little stretch of time, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, where we had a slight taste of early fall, just a little bit of crispness in the air during the morning hours with dew points well into the 50s. And then humidity increased over the weekend. Of course, we had rain chances that returned. It was very muggy Sunday. We had rain around Monday, and then we've stayed very humid today. But this is expected to drop tonight, Wednesday and Thursday, not quite as low as last week, but a lot more comfortable Wednesday, Thursday, and most of your Friday. The upper level pattern here, we've had this ridge of high pressure off to the west, still bringing us some heat and humidity, but it's been even worse throughout the plains. But with this kind of setup, you're getting what's called northwest flow. So the winds are coming in from the northwest. That allowed for those clusters of thunderstorms to impact parts of the region Sunday night and also Monday night. We're drying out from there, but this northwest flow is still bringing in wildfire smoke. So things started to get a bit hazier yesterday, today. They'll likely stay a bit hazy tomorrow and potentially into early Thursday, though model data has it mixing out a bit. So on this map, blues and greens are better than, of course, oranges and reds. Now, a lot of this is still aloft, so it's higher up in the atmosphere, so it's going to make things look a bit hazier. At this time, air quality is still good to moderate across the eastern half of the country. Those are the yellows and green dots that you're seeing here on all the sensors. Where it's the worst is where the fires are burning in Oregon, Washington State, and Idaho. That's where they're seeing some unhealthy air quality due to the wildfire smoke. So outside of the haze, we do have better weather ahead. Tonight, expect temperatures to cool into the 60s, right around 70 in Louisville. Dew points will start to drop, so hopefully the humidity feels a bit more tolerable. Mostly sunny skies tomorrow, though, once again, could be hazy sunshine with temperatures in the mid 80s and a northerly breeze. And your 7-day forecast here, nice weather again on Thursday. Friday looking very similar. Overnight lows should feel a lot more comfortable with the lower humidity, so we'll continue to cool into the 60s there. And then unfortunately for the weekend, that is when rain chances return to the forecast. We do have a 60% chance of scattered showers and storms Saturday and Sunday, and then at least a 40% chance into early next week as the pattern stays unsettled. So that will keep temperatures cooler than average as we kick off the month of August. And a reminder, of course, you can track the live radar 24/7 on the WHAS 11 Plus app, which is free to download on your smart TV.